What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. This isn't a gear review, not a beard product review. Today we're headed down the interstate. We're headed to Atlanta for a business trip for a few days. So stay tuned to the intro to see where all we get to go. Korean street food tacos. Those look good. The wife got quesadilla. Didn't get to film very much last night. We were out and about, and you see I got a tag along. Yeah, riding up front. And so yeah, we're gonna go do the day, and I'll check back in a little while. All right, guys. So our business part of the day is done. We're headed to supper. So there's the wife, the missus. We're walking uphill. It's gonna be fun. We'll check back in when we get to supper. Alright, so we're at the Atlanta All-Star, or the Braves All-Star Grill. Came here last year. My wife got the chicken fingers and got them again this year. Last year, I can't remember what I got last year, but this year, I'm going to try the fajita quesadilla. We'll see how it is. Yeah, you excited? I don't know if you are. This place is pretty awesome. Braves memorabilia everywhere, baseball, everything. So, if you're in Atlanta, you have to check out the Braves All-Star Grill. So we just finished our dinner at the Braves All-Star Grill, and it was amazing, as expected. So now, right now, we are waiting on our Uber to get back to the room. So, yeah. So we're back in the room, night 2. Check out, make sure if you are ever in downtown Atlanta that you check out the Braves All-Star Grill. Highly recommend. Tonight I had the chicken quesadilla. Wife had the chicken fingers. She had that last time and it was perfect. So I'm gonna show you guys around the room just a little bit, and yeah, let's swap this camera up. All right, so we'll start with our view around the room with the view out the window. We have a little taste of Atlanta, a hotel pool, a little kitchen, refrigerator, spin around. Yep, there I am. What's up? Got the baby's car seat. And that is the bedroom where the wife and the baby are at right now. Alright guys, it is day 3. Still rocking the bed, beard, hadn't gotten in the shower yet. Wife's in the shower. Today's our last day in Atlanta, so we got a few things we gotta do today. situated. We are walking through downtown right now, headed to some meetings, and yeah, slept in a little bit this morning. Got a little bit later start than we wanted, but enjoyed the fact of getting to sleep in. Alright guys, so we are done for the day, and we are cutting through Centennial Park. You can see behind me, we're cutting through Centennial Park, getting back to the car so we can go home. Which way are we going?
This way, towards the aquarium.
So we're headed towards the aquarium. So on a whim, we decided to stop at Sub-Zero ice cream shop, and they cool their ice cream down with nitrogen. So, not hydrogen, nitrogen. Nitrogen. Anyway, so I got chocolate.
Maple.
So we'll see how it is. There's the chocolate. Looks pretty good. There's the maple. Alright, so we have finished the day. We just stopped and had a little ice cream. Look at this behind me. If it'll get it. I don't know if it will. But anyway, we just had some ice cream, as you saw, and we are now headed to the car to start going down back home. Headed south.